Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 22nd, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. The futures are trading down by 2 3/4 points to 23.57 1/4 per contract. Again, every day we see the futures start the morning a little bit lower and then they rally up. We'll see if today is another day like that. Yesterday we had a pretty sizable up day. Day coming back after a holiday and the volume was light. Volume has been very, very light in the month of February, so that has helped the markets remain buoyant. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to make some money. First stock we're going to look at today is Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers right now trading at $33.60. Stock closed at $31.99. I am going to have gap resistance levels in the morning for this. So again, we will be looking at Toll Brothers right at the opening bell. Good little pop though for Toll Brothers. So this could affect other home builders like Lennar. You could see pops there. In fact, you're seeing a little uptick there. Also keep KB Home, KBH on the radar there. That's another one that could also benefit. And then you're going to want to look at DHI, which is DR Horton. That's another one that could uptick ahead of the opening bell, and you've seen all of these higher on the back of Toll Brothers. But I will have gap resistance levels for Toll Brothers put in the intraday stock chat room right at the opening bell. Next up, we're going to take a look at Garmin, GRMN. This is the GPS company. Right now, you're going to see the stock trading at $55.25. It closed at $50.45. So this is a good uptick after earnings. You are hitting some resistance up here around this level. But again, this stock is showing pretty good strength. I do think that the bigger resistance point is around $59.50 to $60 if it really gets up there. So we'll keep this one on the radar. We'll watch for pattern. I can't jump on board this gap higher open. But again, we can watch it for pattern to see if it does make another secondary move up there. Let's take a look at First Solar. They reported earnings. The stock today is trading FSLR. Stock today is trading at $35.70, closed at $36.62. So again, a little down ticking here, but it had a pretty good day yesterday. I'm not going to make much out of it. Hasn't been able to break up to new highs. Now it's pulling back ahead of the opening bell, but we'll keep it on the radar. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Texas Roadhouse. TXRH is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $43.01, closed at $47.79. The only level I really think works for this stock is around 41, 41 and a quarter. Again, it is a light volume stock. That means it can overshoot. On a good day, it trades about 500,000 shares. So we'll see how it plays out today. But again, 41, 41 and a quarter could be a pretty decent level. We'll try to iron that out once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look here at Six Flags. I don't think there's much movement here in the pre-market, but they did report earnings, so this one could be in play today. Keep it on your radar. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. MBLY, which is Mobileye, and you'll see this is trading down a little bit. Right now at $46.50, closed at $46.12. Again, the only level I really like for Mobileye today is if it got down to around $39.30. Got there, I really do like the stock for a long side play. At the moment, it's really not doing too much from where it closed. So, again, we'll keep this on the radar a little bit later. Let's take a look at Domino's Pizza, PZZA. This stock right now is trading down pretty sharply. Trading right now at $81.50, closed at $85.63. So, good little haircut there. The only level I really like here, if you're aggressive, the $80 area is not bad. But you got a much better area right around the 200-day moving average on a daily chart. So let this pierce right around $76.50 could be a play for Papa John Pizza. So keep that on the radar. There could be a nice little play there. I'm going to try to work out some more levels for this, but just full and fair disclosure, this is a light volume stock. You got to be a little bit careful with this name. Again, it does not trade 1 million shares a day. Stocks that trade less than 1 million shares a day on average, they can overshoot levels sometimes, so you want to be a little bit careful. Let's take a look at Yum Brands. I'm not exactly sure of the news here, but Yum Brands this morning looks like it is trading a little bit lower, closed at $67.67. Right now trading at $66.06. So the stock is getting hit a little bit. Again, this gets down to around $64.40. I would be a buyer there for a long side day trade. Let's take a look here at Norwegian Cruise Line. Looks like they reported earnings. NCLH is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 48.50. Popped initially to 50 bucks, has come back down. It closed at 48.20, so it still has a little bit of a gain in here. I'm just not seeing a lot of upside, so be a little bit careful. Watch this one today, and then you could also look at Carnival Cruise Line, which is CCL, and that is trading at 55.33. That'll be in play today as well, in sympathy to Norwegian. And then you could look at RCL, which is Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, and that is trading at 95.49. So again, no change there, but we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. All right, let's turn our attention now to the gold market. Gold futures trading up $1, $1,239.90 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. That's getting a little bit of an uptick, trading at 117.99, closed at 117.75. Crude oil is trading down 55 cents to $53.78 a barrel. Take a look at the USO this morning. You'll see that's down, ticking a little bit right now, trading at 11.41. USO is a good oil ETF that we do day trade a lot in the intraday stock chat room. So once again, if you want to trade all of these names and alongside of us, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. We're having a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going. And once again, it's an open format. You get to see our desktops. And it's a great, great product. So, Ken, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat and trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.